How to play puzzle games on Crazy Games. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to learn how we can play puzzle games on Crazy Games, so make sure to stick with me till the end. To play puzzle games on Crazy Games, open the Crazy Game app, log into your account, and from the bottom, tap on the search bar, which is a magnifying glass icon. Now go to the search bar from the top and just type in puzzle. And when you do that, you'll find this category in this tag icon that says puzzle games, and there are up to 528 games related to this tag. So you can go to puzzle games category here and you will see a list of all the games within the puzzle game category, and you can begin to play any one of these games of your choice. This way you can play puzzle games on Crazy Games app. Hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching and see you soon in our next video.